The ASUS Prime AP202 case showcases a sleek design with a fully curved tempered glass panel that extends seamlessly from the front to the side, providing a stunning panoramic view of your components. This case is designed for high-performance builds, supporting graphics cards up to 420 millimeters long and radiators up to 360 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of components. Its easy-detach rail system makes accessing the interior a hassle-free experience, allowing for safe and simple panel removal and reattachment. The patented slot vent is an innovative feature that enhances cooling efficiency for your graphics card, ensuring optimal performance during intensive gaming sessions. With 3 pre-installed ARGB fans and an integrated ARGB light band that works seamlessly with Aura Sync, this case offers vibrant lighting options that can be customized to your preference. ASUS has combined style, performance, and functionality in the Prime AP202, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful computer case.